Hey everyone, so we're at the factory and we're getting our boat ready for going on the water. So we're installing the motor right now. It's a pretty big motor. Do you know how many horsepower it is?
215.
215 horsepower. Okay, that's a lot of horsepower. It's a massive motor. I don't know how much it weighs, but you need some pretty heavy chains to safely lower it down. So we're putting it into position. Should be hooking it up to the drive shaft and everything today, and maybe this week we'll be able to put it in the water. No, no chance.
Got a lot of work. Got steering, got electrical.
Huh. Okay. When do you think this could be ready?
Hard to say. It depends on how long, the time that I can spend on it. If I can free up more people in our shop,
Yeah.
to come out here to work on it during the week, then it'll be a lot faster. But this weekend's, I didn't come out on weekends, so it's once a week.
Ah,
Come
okay.
out. So.
All right.
So I mean, we got the steering we got to do. We got the shift cable and throttle cable, the electrical, batteries, bilge pumps. So we still got quite a bit of work to do.
Huh. Okay, that's going to be months if it's
Well,
just on Sundays.
not months. No. I'm going to try to, try to get it in beginning of March if we can't get it in the water.
Okay.
So
That's okay.
that's what I'm shooting for anyway.
Okay.
Trying to.
All right. So interesting fact about this is this came off the Satoshi cruise ship that we had last year. So it is finding a new life. We had several of these on the ship that were not being used, so we pulled a few things off, and it's a really good use for it. I think it was a backup generator meant for emergency power on the ship. So it was one of many backups. So it's finding a good new life, and looks like we should be ready to put this in the water in the next 2 months. So we'll see how that goes.